Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to take a look at your Cash App PIN. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, we are going to be opening the Cash App application. So if you do not already have the application, you want to download it for a mobile phone. Go ahead and open up your App Store if you haven't already. Go to the search bar and search for Cash App. Once you find the application, install it, and now you're ready to open it up. So once you open it up and log in, either using your mobile number or your login details, whichever way you prefer, it's going to look like this. This is going to be our home page where we can take a look at our cash balance. We have our savings options and all the other options that we can access, and now we can get started. So basically guys, what we want to do to be able to take a look at our pin is right here at the bottom of the page. You can take a look at the sections tab. This is our sections tab. As you can see, currently we are in the home page tab currently, and next to the home page tab is the card icon. You want to go ahead and click on that card icon, and by clicking that card icon that you can find right there, we can go ahead and open up this card menu right here. So this is our card menu where we can take a look at our cash card and all the info regarding it. So what you want to do is long hold the cash card, and this is now going to open up this menu with settings, and one of the options is going to be called show cash card info. So by clicking show cash card info, it's going to enable us to take all the info, a look at all the info that we have for our cash card, and there we will be able to see our pin that we can use for paying with our cash card. We can find our routing number and all the info regarding our card. So basically just click that option to show it, and you'll be able to find all the info that you need right here in this page, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.